Did you know that there's a whole world of beautiful houseplants that actually prefer low light conditions? That's right, not every plant requires a sun-soaked windowsill to thrive. In fact, some plants have adapted to grow in the understories of forests and jungles where sunlight is scarce. These plants not only add a touch of nature's beauty to those dimly lit corners of your home, but also have the added benefit of purifying the air. They can transform your home into a lush, tranquil sanctuary without the need for high maintenance. The best part? They're more forgiving to those of us who may occasionally forget to water them. So if you're looking for ways to brighten up those dark corners of your home, or if you're just starting your journey into the world of indoor plants, these low-light loving species could be just what you're looking for. Stay tuned to find out what these low-light loving plants are and how to care for them. Without further ado, let's dive into the top choices for houseplants that love the shade. First off, let's talk about the snake plant. This plant is a real champion when it comes to low-light environments. It's not only a hardy survivor, but also quite a looker with its tall, upright leaves that add a touch of architectural elegance to any room. The snake plant prefers dry conditions, so you only need to water it once every couple of weeks. It's not picky about soil either. Standard potting soil would do just fine. As for temperature, it's comfortable in typical room temperatures, so no need to fuss over it. And did I mention that it's an excellent air purifier? That's right, the snake plant can filter out toxins from the air, making your home healthier and fresher. Now we have the ZZ plant. This glossy green gem is another low-light lover that's extremely forgiving and easy to care for. It's drought tolerant, meaning you can forget to water it once in a while and it won't hold a grudge. The ZZ plant is not just about good looks though, it's also a fantastic air purifier. Last but certainly not least, let's meet the pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This trailing beauty is a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts for its gorgeous, heart-shaped leaves. It's an adaptable plant that can tolerate low light conditions and occasional watering. The pothos isn't fussy about soil or temperature either, making it an ideal choice for beginners. And yes, you guessed it right, it's another fantastic air purifier. And those were just a few of the many amazing plants that can brighten up your dimly lit rooms. Still hungry for more low-light plant options? Well, let's march on with our low-light plant parade and meet our next green superstar, the peace lily. Not only does this plant boast beautiful white blooms, but it's also a champion when it comes to purifying the air. Just remember to keep the soil moist, but avoid overwatering. The peace lily can tolerate low light, but a little indirect sunshine will help it bloom. And don't worry if you forget to water it once or twice. It's quite forgiving and will bounce back in no time. Now we have the Dracaena. This plant is a real showstopper. With its long, elegant leaves and dramatic look, it can add a touch of the exotic to any room. Dracaena prefers indirect light and well-drained soil. It's also worth noting that it's sensitive to fluoride, which is often present in tap water. So if you can, use distilled or non-fluoridated water to keep your Dracaena happy and healthy. Last but certainly not least on our list is the spider plant. This is a fantastic choice for beginners thanks to its hardy nature. The spider plant is not picky about light or water, making it an easy addition to your indoor garden. Plus, it's a prolific propagator, sending out offshoots that can be easily replotted to grow new plants. So if you're looking to share the joy of indoor gardening with friends and family, the spider plant is a gift that keeps on giving. From improving air quality to being easy on the eyes, these plants certainly prove that they can shine even in the shadows. Each one has its unique charm and benefits, but they all share the ability to thrive in less than sunny conditions. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your indoor plant journey, these low-light loving plants are sure to bring a touch of green serenity to your space. Remember, every plant is a new adventure, so don't fear the shadows, embrace them. It's clear that these low-light plants can make a high impact in any home. We've waltzed through the world of low-light houseplants, unveiling some top choices that are not just easy to care for, but also stunning in their beauty. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. First, we met the resilient ZZ plant, a low-maintenance superstar that thrives in dim light and requires minimal watering. ZZ plants are perfect for those just dipping their toes into the world of houseplants. Next, we acquainted ourselves with the striking snake plant, a plant so forgiving that it almost thrives on neglect. Its tall, sleek leaves add a modern touch to any room, while its air-purifying qualities promote a healthier living environment. We also discovered the lush and leafy peace lily, a plant known for its elegant white flowers. This plant not only brightens up any dimly lit room, but also helps to purify the air. And then there was the heartleaf philodendron, a trailing plant with heart-shaped leaves that loves the shadows and can add a touch of the tropics to your home. Each of these plants, in their unique ways, contributes to the aesthetics of your home while also offering health benefits like air purification. They're simple to maintain, needing only infrequent watering and a cozy spot away from direct sunlight. So whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, these low-light houseplants can transform your home into a serene, green haven. And the best part, they're all beginner-friendly, making the journey into indoor gardening a delightful experience. Embrace the charm and benefits these plants offer. Remember, a house with plants is more than just a home. It's a thriving, living space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Midtown Farmer for more houseplant tips. Until next time, keep your thumbs green and your home serene.
Damn.